Hi, Mike Violette with EMCTV.tv at the 2015 International Symposium EMC in Dresden, Germany. I'm pleased to be here with Mike Howard of Liberty Labs. Mike, how you doing?
Good.
How are you finding Germany?
Good. It's been a little wet this few days, but I know they've been needing the rain.
Yeah, they mentioned that to me too. Yeah, so they're glad that we brought the show, we brought the rain.
Great.
So tell me a little bit about Liberty Labs. Start at the beginning. How did you get this company started?
Well, Liberty Labs is basically a hobby. I'm an amateur radio operator, and I have a love for antennas. And Liberty Labs started in my Boy Scout tent. And the tent grew into Liberty Labs, then WorldCal, then ISOCal, and on from there. So we got started in 1988. In 1993, we built the world's largest ground plane. It's a 50 by 80 meter ground plane. And we do roughly 14,000 antennas a year that we calibrate. From there, in the year 2000, we started WorldCal, which calibrates electronic instrumentation, RF, EMI receivers. And then here in 2012, we purchased ISOCal that does mechanical dimensional. And
where are they located?
In Connecticut, South Windsor, Connecticut. And last year we expanded into Canada. We have a company called Liberty Labs Canada. And we calibrate a variety of bench-level devices such as LISNs, CDNs. And we also travel to the customer sites. We spend several weeks on the road throughout the year. We've grown from a lab of one person up to approximately 60 people at this time.
You had to get a bigger tent, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So it's a fantastic story. And you also, do you work internationally?
Yes. We have a lot of companies from the Pacific Rim, Australia, New Zealand. We've been seeing a lot coming from South America recently. And part of the reason we're here in Dresden, we're testing the waters for Europe.
So you're accredited, obviously. That's important in our industry. How does that project to your customers in terms of accreditation?
Oh, without accreditation, you would not be in business. Accreditation sets a set of minimum standards, and we try to comply with those and to go above and beyond those minimum standards. And accreditation is a good process. We're audited every 2 years on site, and then every year they audit us through our paperwork. But it's a good process, and it's a good educational tool for our people. And
ABs are really partners in this whole thing, the way I look at it.
Yes. Yeah.
So what's next for Liberty Labs?
Continuing with our work in Canada, and we are going to be doing a lot of work below 30 megahertz. There's a lot of changes in the standards, so we're doing a lot of antenna work below 30 megahertz. We go from basically DC to 70 gigahertz right now, and a lot of investigation in new antennas, and so that's what we're looking forward to over this next year.
Well, it's been great to enjoy such a hobby.
Yes.
Thanks, Mike. Thanks for talking to us on EMCTV.tv. Mike Violette, Dresden, Germany.